How to send any post on LinkedIn to someone on LinkedIn. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to share and send any post on LinkedIn here in the homepage to anyone that you know or from your contacts on LinkedIn, easy and fast. All what you have to do is connect to your account first, and now this is the homepage. I'm gonna choose one of these posts. I'm gonna choose this one for example. Now, if you want to send it to someone on LinkedIn, click on the send option right here and type the name of or multiple name if you want and the message and click send. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. Thank you so much.